Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Asus Vivobook S15. Check it out. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, and we did an unboxing once before. We did the Joby GorillaPod, and today we're actually going to be doing a new laptop that we just got in here, and it is the Asus Vivobook. I know honestly very little about this thing, so we're going to open up the box and kind of take a look at the first impressions. All right. So as you can see here, if we look on the side, we've got it's a Core i5 Intel 8250U with a 256 gigabyte solid state drive, and then of course 8 gigs of DDR4 memory. It's got USB 3.1, USB 3.0, and a USB 2.0, two of those, and of course it's going to be running the Windows 10 64-bit. So from the little bit of research that I've done on these particular laptops is they're a really good like budget to performance ratio. They've got a really elegant design on them. So like I said, let's go ahead and crack it open and see what we got. If I can be smarter than the box, it just falls. So first look right there, it's got a nice sleeve, a nice little box. Ooh, there's not much weight to that. That's nice. Of course, we've got the manuals. Again, nobody reads those. And so go ahead and slide that over to the side and take a look what's in the actual box itself. Of course, a nice lightweight power charger, and doesn't look like that comes apart or anything. Nothing in there, nothing in there, and nothing at all, nothing, okay. Just nothing else. That's all it comes with. I was actually honestly kind of disappointed. I thought there was going to be a little more to that. So I guess it makes sense though. We've got the charger, and yeah, let's go ahead and pull this thing out. So for those that are wondering, this is the gunmetal color. So it looks like we've got the USB 2.0s on the left side here. And it looks like we have also got looks like a micro SD card reader, which is kind of, I don't know, if you're going to be using this for any type of like video creation or thing like that, that can be kind of a nuisance, because you can see right there we've got the two USBs, and then yeah, we've got the micro SD, but most cameras still run off of the standard SD card. So you may want to carry an adapter around for that. And then of course you've got the USB 3.0, the USB 3.0 or USB-C, and everything right there on the right hand side of the unit. So again, let's go ahead and open it up and take a first glance. Ooh, nice. Actually, we're gonna keep that. We probably want to keep that. Like I said, thin and light Ergo Life hinge and nano display. Yeah, the bezels on this thing is really nice, and they've incorporated the webcam really well. I love the keyboard style. It looks very heavy duty. Kind of give you guys an idea. It looks like right there. I like it, and like I said, the battery is definitely in there because it doesn't have a removable battery like old laptops, and it's really lightweight. One of the coolest features, which might be a little hard to see as well, but as you open the lid, it props up the back. Since there wasn't much in the box other than the power cable and some sleeves to protect the laptop, we're gonna go in, I'm gonna set up the initial profile. Since it does ship with Windows 10, I'll need to set that up, and then we'll take a look at the actual specs of the computer. But before we do that, I wanted to show you guys just a kind of a quick comparison. I do have a MacBook Pro 13-inch right here next to me. I wanna kind of show you guys a comparison of the size of them together. Like, this thing is a very lightweight, and so you can definitely see that there's some size difference. I mean, if we put this on top, we've got, might be a little bit hard to see again, but you can see that overall, like, the MacBook Pro 13-inch is very small, but this Asus is definitely, like, it seems like a 15-inch screen, but in like a 14-inch body. So it's got a really nice like screen to body ratio. So let's jump into the computer and take a look. First thing you're gonna notice, it is a very pretty display, and it has very thin bezels. But if we go on into the display properties, you will notice that it is a 1920 by 1080 screen, giving us plenty of resolution for us to open up our windows and manage them. Another great thing about this resolution, aside from it being a full HD, is the colors and also the viewing angle for when you're trying to watch those late night YouTube videos. The next thing that I noticed on this laptop is the keyboard. It has a solid construction design with a natural feeling, but also doesn't compromise on a tactile response. And of course, we can't forget that the keyboard is also backlit with 3 different brightness modes as well as an off mode, making this keyboard very easy to use even if you're in a dark environment. Another cool feature about this laptop that I really liked was the hinge system. As soon as you open up the display when it's on a flat surface, it will lift up the back end of the laptop, giving you a more ergonomic feel to the keyboard. Overall, the first impressions are great. The Asus Vivobook S15 is a powerful laptop with a great backlit keyboard, beautiful full HD display, and a lightweight design paired with a great battery life, giving you about 7 to 8 hours of moderate use. use, making this laptop a great laptop for day-to-day use, running in at right around $600. And that wraps up today's video, bringing us into our question of the day. If you're an S15 user, how do you like it? What are your favorite features? If you're not, what other laptop do you like? Leave your answers in the comment section below the video. If you found this video useful or informative, be sure to click the thumbs up button on it, give it a like and a share, and be sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on this channel. We do a lot of how-tos, a lot of tutorials. I'll go ahead and link a couple over there on the right-hand side of your screen, as well as don't forget to hit the subscribe. You can do that by clicking the subscribe right over there. And of course, enable the bell notifications so you guys don't miss out on any type of future content, and we will see you on the next one.